I'm Professor Rajesh Prabhu Gaonkar. Presently, I'm professor on deputation at IIT Goa, Indian Institute of Technology, Goa. Basically, my research is in the area of reliability. I am a mechanical engineer and then I did my master's in industrial engineering. So it's an interdisciplinary area. So initially, I was working on fuzzy set based optimal maintenance of deteriorating systems and mainly related areas like machine learning in the domain of HVAC system and other systems. And slowly I have diverted my areas towards sustainability. So presently I am taking interest in developing some sustainable systems. So basically, since I am from the mechanical area, I am working with development of, or you can say mainly the cutting fluids for machining that we use. So we are going for non-edible biodegradable oils. We call it a green cutting fluids in the development of such green cutting fluids. And as usual, my reliability area also still continues, and this blend I am trying to make through my research right now.